Thank you for watching the latest episode of the Inside Drive on Racers and Rods Media. Stay tuned weekly for more exciting content.
All right, tell us who you are and where you're from.
I'm Scott Davis with Sweet 16 Customs in Zellwood, Florida.
And tell us about the hot rod you got here behind you.
Now, this is my 53 Bel Air, my dream car since I was 16 years old. Custom front and rear suspension, Mustang 2 in the front that we did. Little built 350, carbureted, everything's old school. Airbag, lays on the ground, 4-link in the back, Detroit steel wheels. It's been so long. This car's probably been done about 4 years now.
Really?
So I'd have to really think about what all I've done to it. Got AC, Bluetooth radio.
Nice.
So
like you said when you walked up, it's a driver. I mean, you definitely
I drive it every day. I drive
Cool.
it every day. So
Nice.
it's dirty. There's evidence of rats sitting on the motor. This is a driver. So I don't clean it.
You drive it.
Yeah, I clear coated it, so it's locked in this patina, and that's about it. All brand new interior though. Everything underneath is all done. Every nut and bolt was touched on the truck or on the car. But yeah, man, it's a driver. I love it.
All right.
I love these hard tops.
It's super cool, man. We appreciate it.
All right, man. I
All right,
appreciate it.
thanks.